Rebar cracks driveway.
So this crack right here is a result of putting rebar into the foundation. This won't move in the winter months. This driveway wants to heave up and move, resulting in a big old crack all the way down. And that's something you're gonna have to trip over and deal with forever. This was poured about 40 years ago. I know it looks like shit, but I had nothing to do with that. So keep that in mind next time you're pouring a driveway. If you tie the rebar in to this concrete in your garage, you run the risk of this 2 feet cracking all the way down.